So friend, Apple is all set to host its annual Worldwide Developers Conference 2025 from June 9 to June 13. At the event, the tech giant is expected to showcase iOS 19, iPadOS 19, macOS 16, tvOS 19 and Vision OS 2. Alongside other announcements, the tech giant is yet to share any details on the upcoming iOS 19. However, reports suggest that this year Apple may ditch the branding iOS 19 and standardize the number to refer to the next year. Among all these speculations, iOS 19 is most highly anticipated upgrade that Apple fans are eagerly waiting. The upcoming iOS 19 is said to come with several improvements and new features including Wi-Fi login, sync across the ecosystem, a live translations feature for airports, as well as third-party AI support for apps. Here's everything we know about the upcoming iOS 19. And Apple will announce the iOS 19 at its upcoming WWDC 2025 event. However, the software upgrade will likely arrive with the next generation of iPhones, the iPhone 17 series. While nothing has been confirmed officially yet, the iOS 19 is set to bring some significant design overhauls in year, including a smoother UI and consistent app elements. The update is also likely to come with AI-powered Siri, third-party AI support for apps, live translations with airports, and an upgraded health app with AI coaching that may offer fitness tips, nutrition tracking, and even expert video guidance. And additionally, iOS 19 is also likely to improve messaging experience across iPhones and Android phones by adding end-to-end encryption for RCS messages. The software update is also tipped to boost battery life and offer estimated charging time on the lock screen, enabling users to track the progress. And furthermore, Apple may also add new accessibility tools like system-wide reader mode, bilingual Arabic-English keyboard, and more. Other leaked details include easier eSIM migration to Android, a new game app, and improved captive Wi-Fi networks. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.